Hello, everybody. Um, yeah, I'm Noah, and this is my college success video. So, as it says right there, I'm Noah. At the time of making this video, I'm 18 years old, and I'm a freshman at Florida Poly University. Pretty much, I'm just going to give you a couple of tips on how to succeed in college. So, first thing I'm going to talk about, time management. Time management is extremely important during college and during all times of your life because you have to know what time you have to do what and when you have to do whatever else. And so it's very important that you keep all of this, you know, organized. So a good way to do that is to make a schedule for yourself and be reasonable, you know, as most people, or as I know, and I'm pretty sure you know too, most of the time you're not just going to want to sit there and just only study for maybe like 5 or 10 hours, unless like you got a test later today or something like that. So make a schedule that you can follow easily and that you won't have any problems with keeping up with as time goes on. Second tip, use this technique that I learned in my APS class, or academic professional skills class. It's just pretty much what I'm teaching right now. So it is called the Pomodoro technique. It sounds weird, but stick with me. It basically, what it is you study or you do whatever you're supposed to do for a set period of time, and then you take like a 5 minute break to reward yourself, and then you just repeat that over and over again up until the assignment's done. This is good because you're constantly working yourself and you're making sure that you do all the work, but you're still giving yourself a quick break and a quick, just rewarding yourself for doing the work. So that's really good to keep focused on time management. Next, stress. Alright, so stress is something that everybody undergoes throughout all stages of their life, whether they want to or not. You're just going to go through it, believe me. A good way of dealing with this is either making some friends who you can hang out with to distract you from work and to just ease the suffering, or you could go ahead and use that stress to motivate you to work harder. Where I'm coming from with that is, to do that, you have to take a step back from the situation and you have to look at what's going on. So you can analyze the situation and see what's going wrong here, what's going wrong there, and see if you can find out. And once you're done doing this and you found out what's actually causing so much stress for you, then you'll feel so much better after doing it. Like, the feeling of solving a problem or solving whatever's been stressing you is so good. You'll enjoy it, and it'll motivate you to work even harder to do everything else that you have to do. So then you'll have that feeling because you have no more work to do and you can pretty much have a free day for the rest of the day, or for the rest of the week, however much work you've done. So the last thing that I'm going to cover real quick is mental health. It's not a topic that everybody likes to talk about, but it is an important topic for this day and age, because a lot of people struggle with anxiety, depression, stress, everything like that. And so it's very important that you take care of yourself. And I know you've probably heard that a bunch of other times, and like it's probably weird hearing it from a stranger, but trust me, during college and during the rest of your life, you'll be swamped with feelings that you might want, you might not want, and it'll just constantly change how you're feeling and how you're functioning during the day. And so mental health is very important during university, because if there's something wrong with your mental health, then you won't be able to function properly, you won't be able to go to class, you won't be able to do your homework, and eventually everything else will come tumbling down. So if you are currently struggling with anything or anything like that, there's no need to, like stand out and like go tell the world or anything, because it would be really uncomfortable for you, I'm sure. But what would be good is just to go either talk to a friend or talk to somebody on your campus, or go talk to your parent, and just somebody that you know you can confide in and just talk to for a good minute. They'll, I'm sure they'll be more than happy to just listen to whatever's going on and just understand. And a good thing to do to make sure that you don't feel like that is to include some me time on your schedules. So you can calm yourself down or do whatever you like just to get your mind off of school and work and all that kind of thing. But another thing just to do is just make sure to be healthy as well, because I don't know if most people know this, but when you have a healthy body, you also have a healthy mind. And it'll reflect, a lot of the people that you hang out with will be able to see it when you've changed up your lifestyle, because your mood and your everything going on in your brain will also change along with it. So yeah, those are just a couple things that'll help you succeed during college and probably help you succeed during life as well. Um, if you enjoyed the video, uh, thank you. I guess leave a like. You don't have to subscribe or anything, but yeah, thank you very much for listening, and yeah, have a great day and stay safe, all right?